Ladies and gentlemen, Godfather back to you with another video. Today I will show you how to get your old smartphone a lot faster. The first step we need to do is go to settings, scroll down and go to about phone. Scroll down and click on software information. Then tap on build number about 7 times. You have unlocked developer options. Let's go to developer options. In the developer options, we need to look for window animation scale and transition animation scale. We need to adjust their values from 1 to 0.5. After adjusting their values, your phone should work a lot faster. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please DM me on my Instagram account or Facebook. I'll be more than happy to help you out.